for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Joselito Joey Sarmiento, Radio Anchor, Win Radio 91.5. Mr. Joselito Sarmiento is a Filipino radio broadcaster affiliated with 91.5 Win Radio Manila, Radio Manila Network. He is known on air as Pambansang Kuya, Kuya J. Machete, and previously worked as an entertainment columnist before becoming a full-time radio DJ. Once again, congratulations!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Attorneys, good evening sa lahat po ng mga employees at tauhan ng Public Attorney's Office, and especially kay Chief Persida Acosta, good evening. And also, sa lahat ng mga nanay ngayon, Happy Mother's Day po. Firstly, maraming salamat po sa recognition na binigay niyo sa akin. This is very close to me dahil I've been in the radio industry for maybe magta 30 years na po. And of course, lagi nating sinusuportahan ang Public Attorney's Office, yung mga advocacy, lalo-lalo na yung pagtulong po ng mga public lawyers natin, mga public defenders sa mga mahihirap nating kababayan na kailangan ng justice. So mabuhay po ang mga lawyers ng PAW. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy po ang ating pagtulong sa mga kababayan natin. Thank you very much, Chief Persida Acosta. Maraming salamat.